My name's Shivraj Bassi. I'm the CEO and founder of Innermost. Innermost is a groundbreaking, award-winning nutritional supplements brand that creates products to optimize your body and sharpen your mind. We launched around two and a half years ago. The business has grown incredibly fast. We have hundreds of partners that we work with who stock our products in the UK, but also internationally. The business continues to grow, and we've recently moved to a Shopify Plus platform to help accelerate growth further. Look, as an entrepreneur, as a startup, one of the biggest decisions you make is which e-commerce platform do you choose for your website. And I remember for us, it was a very long, lengthy, stressful process. We spoke with dozens of Magento developers, dozens of Shopify developers, to try to really cut through the noise and understand which platform would be best for us. And we went with Magento based on a belief that it would offer us a really super customizable, tailored website that would cater to every woman's desire. What became apparent through the development and subsequent launch of the website is while all of that might be true, it requires a huge amount of time, money, effort, and project management in order to realize that. And as a startup, as a business, you really want to focus your time on growing your business and less on managing the technical minutiae of your website. And I found that balance wasn't being addressed with the website that we had, and that encouraged us to look at Shopify again with the knowledge that we had accumulated through that process, and to see whether actually the right decision would have been Shopify. And that led us to Shopify Plus, it led us to Swanky, and ultimately led us to where we are today. Yeah, so obviously we launched a Magento 2 platform, and it was a very tough decision to make the switch to a different platform, mainly because of the time, the effort, and the money that we invested in the original platform. So it was a very big decision. We spoke with Swanky, we spoke about the functionality that Shopify Plus could offer us, and how it could be managed, and we decided, nervously, that we would make the switch to Shopify Plus. Now that we've gone through the process of development and launched the website, it's really been a breath of fresh air for us. I think our biggest frustration was that it was very difficult to make changes to the website, to upgrade the website, to add additional functionality, and with Shopify Plus, a lot of that just comes out of the box. It's got a huge ecosystem of applications that you can use to increase average order value, increase frequency of client purchases, to kind of incorporate really interesting things into your website, whereas on the previous platform that we use, that would require a huge amount of development work and a lot of time and project management to incorporate. So it's really been a way for us to empower ourselves and have a website that really helps us grow our business, and we can focus our time not just on maintaining a website, but also growing our business and all the other things that we can be doing to push our business forward. Yeah, so look, I've really enjoyed working with Swanky. I wouldn't be here recording this for them if I hadn't. Look, when we chose to go with Shopify Plus, we had another tough decision. Which development agency do we go with? We spoke with a bunch of them. What I really liked about Swanky was their commercial approach. It wasn't just about launching a website that looked nice. It was about having an e-commerce website that could scale. Look, Innermost, I think we've got amazing products. We've got an amazing brand identity, a visual identity, which really resonates with customers. And all of that is super important. But also, it's important to have an e-commerce platform that allows you to scale and a technology stack that supports that. Working with Swanky has enabled us to have that. It's given us a lot of confidence in the e-commerce platform and allows us to feel more confident about focusing our time on other areas which will help propel our business forward. We're already having conversations with Swanky about stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4 of the website, where we need to take it in order to scale the business to where we want to be. And those conversations are ongoing, so we're looking to have a very long relationship with Swanky. Yeah, so the Innermost business continues to grow. We're posting record monthly revenues every single month. We want to continue to consolidate our position in the UK, but also grow internationally, build upon the successes that we've had. We're also super focused on building our e-commerce business. And with the help of Swanky, we've got some really interesting ideas on how we can do that. Ultimately, in the next couple of years, we want to establish Innermost as one of the most forward-thinking, groundbreaking nutritional supplements brands in the world. We do that through our branding, we do that through our product development, and through some of the things that we're going to be doing on the e-commerce side. So watch this space.